2025 report top picks of the AI, one of my favorite products that we are generating on a daily, on a yearly actually basis. This report actually holds everything you need to hold in your portfolio in 2025. You just buy it and hold it for the entire year. It's the fourth year of this specific product, and the results are pretty amazing. I'm gonna go through some of the results that we had in the last year report, the 2024. So this specific report holds the best stocks from each and every sector. If it's the tech sector, energy, consumer, home builders, we are actually looking the best stocks from each and every sectors. We provide you also the sector themselves, the best sectors to hold for 2025, the best ETF, the best cryptocurrency, the best commodities, currencies, everything you can trade actually in the market will provide in this report. And it's a one-time report. You just buy those stocks or those assets and hold them for the entire year. And last year we can find, can see here the last year report and see the performance of this report. So we can find stocks such as WSM, which moved 92%, or stocks from the XLY universe, if it's Google, TRMB, COF. We can find the BLK, for example, here from the Russell 1000, NVIDIA, that moved 155%. The semiconductors universe, we can find here the indices and the best ETF to hold. And this report is actually amazing. We can find everything we need in our portfolio for the following year in one report that the algorithm and our team is providing you for the next year, the best top picks for the next year. And here we can find, for example, also from the cryptocurrency universe, Bitcoin, Ethereum. It's pretty amazing that the algorithm actually gave in the beginning of 2024 the recommendation for the Bitcoin, and we can see the big jump that he had this year. Also the Solana, the cryptocurrency that related to this specific universe. Also the S&P, of course, is said the volatility will go down, and it actually went down. And also commodities. You can find it in the website, also the 2023 report, the 2024 report. You can actually download it and see what's happened in the last year. But I'm telling you, this report, I think it's pretty amazing. We have all the performance here of all of the majority of the assets. NVIDIA, we can find WSM, DOCO, COF, and XSW, the software. It actually moved 45% this year. Interesting subsector that we're going to talk about it later. So this specific product is now available in the website and in the webinar sale, special webinar sale for $699. It's a one-time report that you buy, and you get all of what you need for 2025. If it's the best stocks from the US market, it's the best ETF, the best sectors that we're talking about usually on this webinar. If it's the level 1 geeks, level 1 geeks, level 2, the aggressive stocks, small stocks, and leading indices, even interest rate. You can find the forecast of the TNX, FVX, and TYX to you, which of you that interesting in the interest rate, Forex, of course, currencies, commodities, and the cryptocurrencies as well. All that in one report that you just have to buy at the beginning of the year in this specific week and hold it for the entire year. I personally really like this product. I think you can benefit a lot from him, and a lot of this stocks and assets that you can find it should be in your portfolio in 2025.
Yeah, this product is basically almost the same product as the product that we are offering to institutionals, hedge funds, family offices, banks that are utilizing the predictive algorithm. For one time during the year, we are building this product and making it available also to the retail clients. So basically, we are going to focus in this product on the long-term predictions, as Ben mentioned, highlighting the best stocks to buy, the best sectors, the best ETFs, the regions around the globe that we should focus on, small cap stocks, commodities, you name it, cryptocurrencies. But also this year we added brand new chapters to this report. We are going to add the best quantum basically quantum stocks to buy for the long term. Of course, the risk level here is higher, as Ben mentioned. And also we are going to highlight the best sectors, regions to avoid during this year. And I think it also can provide a lot of value to our clients. So this is an opportunity to basically to experience our institutional solution, basically. And we have just shared in the window, in the Q&A chat window, the link for this product, right?
Yeah, the links are in the chat, and you can sign in and get this report for $699, and you get over 50 assets that you can invest and be in 2025. So I think it's really, really worth it. Our second webinar sale is 1+1 for $299. You can choose 2 packages. All the packages that we talked about during this webinar for $299 per month. You can choose, of course, the quantum package, combining with the ETF or with the top 10, or tech or stocks. You have a list of packages that you can choose from, and that Yaron is sharing right now in the link in the chat. You just write down your mail, you choose 2 packages from the list, and you can get this special webinar sale for $299 per month. No commitment, you can cancel at any time. I think it's a really good price to start the year with the 2 interesting packages. And our third webinar sale is a 12-month subscription deal. You get 2 packages for $269 per month, and you get the Best iPicks report for free. I think it's one of our best sales this year. You get to choose 2 packages out of the packages list that we saw earlier. Again, quantum stocks, you can get stocks, semiconductors, of course, you can get tech stocks, you can get energy stock, you can combine it with ETF, with the S&P 500, with the currency, with commodities. You can choose a lot of stocks to combine, and you get the 2025 report that we just talked about for free. So this webinar, the third webinar sale, I think is one of the more successful sales that we have this year. So feel free to join to any of those sales. I'll repeat it. First one is the 2025 report for $699, and you get all the assets that you need for 2025. If you're more of a trader and you like to switch stock every few weeks or every month, you can also take the webinar sale that we have 1+1 in $299 per month. And the third deal is 2 packages for $269 per month, and you get the Best AI Picks for 2025 for free. And I think it's one of the most interesting sales that we have.